Okay, so today we are going to rank every vibe coding tool out there from best to worst. We will take the decision based on the quality, cost, and the difficulty. I used almost all the coding tool available out there, from like the most technical to like most basic AI coding tool who are just for pure non-technical people, and the tools which are for like coders. But in today's particular video, we will only focus on the vibe coding tools. So please make sure when I am ranking, I'm not ranking based on the AI developer tools or AI coding tool for developers. I am ranking vibe coding tools. How easy it is to vibe code through these tools. If you don't know what is vibe coding, in simple words, a non-technical person trying to create a software or SaaS or anything using coding with the help of these AI tools. I hope you got it. So I have the dashboard and we will start from here. Again, I am repeating, I will take these three parameters: quality, cost, and the third one is difficulty. So let's start with the first one, which is Cloud Code. As a developer, I am fan of it. Most non-technical people will not able to work with Cloud Code because you have to like work with something like this. This is like terminal, and Cloud Code work on terminal. So I don't think so. Most people who are non-technical vibe code through Cloud Code. So I will go with the D tier. If you don't know, like S tier is the best and D tier is the worst. I really want to give it like C tier, but I think it's very hard for non-technical people or like for the pure vibe coders who want to use this tool. That's why I'm going with the D, because it's a bit technical, because you have to install it in CLI and do a lot of stuff which is not possible for any non-technical person. I think the next one is from our boy Google, and I don't even have to think about it. I will just go in the D tier, because who is using Google Gemini for vibe coding? If you are using do something meaningful in your life, bro, why you are using Google Gemini for vibe coding? Okay, the next one is Lovable. This one is interesting because Lovable is for vibe coders purely. Like if you are a software engineer or writing code, and I will see you using Lovable, I will start having trust issues on you. But for vibe coders, I think I will give it A tier for now. We can go with the S tier because I have tried it a lot to create the entire application. It's worked great. You can even create the subclass database, so it's great tool. It's also have free tier. It's not very difficult to start with. I think we can give S tier because it's deserved. It's very good tool for like vibe coders who don't want to touch the code. It will like directly publish your site. You can even get the live URL link. I have created a lot of project, and in one of my account, I have this particular project which is like very interesting project. Here you have to like put your website, and it will analyze your landing page. Okay, let me take my own AI tool example here, and we will analyze. It's Vichar AI, my own AI tool which help people to like grow on LinkedIn. It will analyze. We will be coming back here. It's like great tool. I will put in S tier. If you are vibe coder, go and try it out. Lovable, great tool. Not a sponsor, of course. The next one is Meta. I never use Meta, like once or twice maybe on WhatsApp, but never use seriously for anything serious. So I will put in D tier. Not much useful, but Meta is great when it comes to open source models. We will not talk about this. I have not heard about this tool, so sorry, brother. I have nothing personal, but I have not heard. So what we can do here? Perplexity. I will put in C tier. Why? So Perplexity is not a vibe coding tool, but you can create basic things using Perplexity Labs. I created a lot of things on the Perplexity Labs, like small things. One thing I remember is for a customer, I created a demo for my AI development studio. One customer want how their app will be looking at the end, so I created a UI from Perplexity, and it works and done a great job. So that's why Perplexity deserves a tire. Again, okay, data I have not heard about you. Okay, the next one is serious competitor who is Replit. Hmm. If you have not know about Replit, it's like Lovable, but Lovable is like AI company from start. But Replit is earlier a online AI coding platform. I have heard a lot about it, so and it's good. I think you can start it for free. It's easy and it's for vibe coder. We will put in A tier for now. Maybe it can take a place on S tier also. Oh, I forget. Like our Lovable website is working there. Let's see the result. Oh, cool. It's showing like overall it's 78% copy and messaging, and what are the key findings, what I can improve, conversion, CTS, SEO performance, all the stuffs. And mind you, I have not put any API key here, and in the one click it automatically connected with the external tool it need to like build this particular website. So it deserves a tier, I think. Let it put in the A tier for now. I don't know about this tool, so let it go. So I am not assuming everything. Whatever I have not heard about, I will put in detire, because if I don't know about it, it deserves detire. Sorry, I am a bit of harsh here, but yeah, I am a person who is using AI a lot in coding and doing experiments. If you have not catch my eyes, you deserve, especially in my video. Right, cursor. Okay, cursor we will give C tire, because it's not a vibe coding tool. But a lot of people I have seen who do not have the like technical background still able to code through cursor by learning bit of tutorials and doing some hard work by watching videos and stuffs. So we can give it C tire, or maybe B, I think. Yeah, I think we can give B, because a lot of non-technical people know about it and they are using it to vibe code. It's bit of technical, but you can understand the tool, I think. We are also coming with a video of cursor full course, so stay tuned and subscribe the channel for that. Okay, next one. I don't know who are you, bro. DeepSeek. DeepSeek is like fundamental LLM, not a vibe coding tool, and it's slow like crazy. So I will never use it for vibe code. Okay, GitHub Copilot. Again, CTIA. You can use it like inside the VS Code, and if you are non-technical person, it will be hard for you, but not that hard that I will put in data, because I used a lot GitHub Copilot and I have a less of kernel for that. And I think it's a great tool if you have bit of technical thing, like if you are a project manager or some kind of person who know bit about how to set up VS Code or install it in VS Code and then do the commits and basic operation of Git operation. But that's why it deserves C. Again, Grok is like a fundamental LLM, not a vibe coding tool. This one will go here. A lot of tools are going in the tire. What we can say, because they deserve it, because most of the tools here are not that much great in vibe coding. We will give C to ChatGPT or B. It can code, but it can only code like very static website. If you will go with the dynamic website who have like even a very basic function for backend, it will not work. So I think it's a C tier is good. Like you can create basic things with the ChatGPT. For example, let's go to the ChatGPT and we'll ask to create something like a basic to-do list or something, and let's see if it can create or not. Okay, I asked the ChatGPT to create a simple to-do list. Let's preview it and let me. Okay, it's able to create it. Okay, let me say it. Okay, if I hit enter, it should add, but it's not adding. Not a good not a good tool, but yeah, we can cross. Okay, can we edit? Can we edit? No, we can't. Okay, if we click here, it will be like gone. It will be mark unmark like this. Not a good UI, not a good experience, but yeah, you can create basic apps. So let's go and give ChatGPT sheet tab, because you can create of course. Like my brother is also using a tool which is created by ChatGPT, like a basic to do application which is customized for him. So I have to give it sheet tab. Right. Okay, some serious competition here again. V0. I have tried V0 a lot, especially in the UI part, and I think it's good. And especially till they have not tried like the full stack, when their focus is only like in the front end part, they have done great job, I think. So what we do? I think it deserves a star. Replicas also deserve a star, I think, because it's like one of the like vibe coding tool which actually work. So we will put it in a star also. Then again, it's a wind stuff. A lot of people are using wind stuff, so I put it here. I think Google integrity is also deserve that. Why Google integrity is not there? I can't find it. Google integrity is there. So let's put Google here in the beta. It's not Google Gemini. Please consider like integrity, Google integrity. If you don't know what integrity is, like cursor, but it's free. A lot of people are start using, like not technical people. So I will give it a beta.
A few moments later.
Okay, so finally it look like something this. If you are completely non-technical, go with the top, like either Laravel, V0 and Replit. And if you know bit about technical things like a project manager, or you can go with the cursor, you can go with like a Codex, GitHub Copilot or Google Integrity. Then these are the like general AI tools. I don't think so anything will work here. Maybe we can put Cloud Code in the C tier, because if you can figure it out. But yeah, this is the final ranking from my side. I hope you like this video. It's just a fun video, and I will see you in the next video. Especially if you are someone who is like a software engineer or someone who is doing coding, we will release soon a video where we are talking about like best AI coding tools for developers. This is vibe coding tool. We will talk about AI coding tool, and we will rank the AI coding tool here. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video, because we are going to do a lot of fun here in the next videos also. Check out other videos. A lot of AI videos are there. Bye bye.